Hey guys, it's Phil. If you've been following the channel, you know that Mary and I travel around the West producing videos, testing gear, and putting real miles on the products that we review. For the last 6 months, I've been running the Adventure Tech Pro rugged tablet, a standalone 7-inch sunlight-readable device with full access to the Google Play Store. And while your phone struggles with glare and vibration, this thing just keeps working. Much like you, I've run other tablets on my BMW, on off-road setups, but this one has surprised me across every use case. On the bike, in the camper, on the mountain bike, and even in the UTV. In this video, we'll find out what it can do in the real world across many platforms. Enjoy the video, drop any comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, I'm Phil, and today it's all about the Adventure Tech Pro rugged tablet, the one ruggedized tablet that can fit across the spectrum of all of your outdoor enthusiast activities. Currently, I've been running the tablet here in the camper truck, but I've also used it for my adventure motorcycles out in Utah and beyond. I've used it in an ATV, and I've used it extensively out here in Colorado mountain biking. What a game changer. You know, I've had other tablets, and those tablets simply mirror your phone. So the problem is when the phone runs out of juice or you get offline, the tablet really suffers. Additionally, those tablets are more dedicated for one activity, whereas the Adventure Tech Pro I can take across the span of my activities. The Adventure Tech Pro allows you to use any app available on the Google Play Store. So when you pull into your campsite and you're done running offline navigation on your GPS, you can open up HBO Max and maybe watch a little bit of Lord of the Rings. Not saying I've watched that a lot, but I have. It's great to fall asleep to. So like many of you, I used to run my cell phone for navigation. Problem is, sometimes there's a glare on the screen, the phone can overheat, or as has happened to me many times, the phone can die. The Adventure Tech Pro has a sunlight readable screen that I've used extensively on my motorcycle and mountain bike. It has an all-day battery life, or the option to plug into hardwired power. In addition, the obvious is clear. It's a much larger screen than your cell phone. It's just easier to use while in your motorcycle or on your mountain bike or here in the truck. I should note that Adventure Tech Pro has partnered with Ram Mounts technology, and that is what I use to mount this in the truck, in the back of the truck, on the motorcycle, and the mountain bike. With the Ram Mount system, the mounting possibilities really are up to your imagination. The important part is they're super easy to use and they keep the tablet locked in, rock solid, no matter what activity you're doing. So here's the thing, we travel a lot, we're outside a lot, we're doing a lot of activities, and we needed one device, one ruggedized tablet to fit across the span of those activities, and the Adventure Tech Pro is that device. Just using it this season, it has been an incredible upgrade from the standard cell phone. If you want durability, entertainment, navigation, all in one place, the Adventure Tech Pro is it. I've been using it all season and could not be happier. Check out atprugged.com for more information.